look at the size of this container ship that's coming. Holy cow, this thing is huge. The Prague Express. The Prague Express is coming towards us, wow. And you see there's the Coast Guard. Coast Guard's making sure that the channel's clear and safe for the cargo ship to pass through. And as you see, there's the Talmadge Bridge, which Georgia. Over there's South Carolina, just a little bit on the other side of that bridge. It's where the state line is. The Savannah River splits the state line between South Carolina and Georgia. You can see there's tugboats along the side of it as well, helping guide it and make it through. It makes it through safely. Do you see the tugboats and the Coast Guard? The Coast Guard was going the other way. Yang Ming 1, whatever that is. Hyundai, Hapag Lloyd. There's a lot of different containers on here. I wonder where this ship is from. Prague Express. Is it from Prague? This thing might be filled with toys heading to little boys and girls for Christmas, just in time. Who knows what's on there? Televisions, toys, clothes, food. Who knows? It might be full of toys though. Look at all the tugboats coming to help escort the ship down. This is so cool. It's gonna go under the bridge too. Okay, I'm awake now. Sorry for your ears. Hey, I got him to wave. I got him to wave. You missed it. The Savannah, the Arkansas, and the Georgia are the 3 tugboats that are escorting it. Oh, we don't see this every day. Ooh, it's the Prague Express. It says Hamburg. Nice. That would be a really cool view if you were driving across the bridge right when this thing's going under you. That thing is so tall it almost touches that bridge. See, from the angle right here, it almost looks like it's going to touch the bridge. It's so close. Well, in reality, it's probably not that close. We'll know in a second when it kind of clears it. But from here, it looks like it's going to crash into the bridge. But we all know it's not going to. Bye-bye, cargo ship.
Hope you enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to help us out by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, we look forward to your comments. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all our new videos, please click the notification bell. Thanks, see you soon.